Welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Monil says shitcoin. Yeah, you know what else is a shitcoin other than Litecoin? Bitcoin. You'll be like, huh? Yeah, okay. Just go to Grok and just type this into Grok. How did Blockstream? What's Blockstream? Hijack Bitcoin. Enter. Go down the rabbit hole. Good target. Thank you very much. Happy New Year, Dylan. I'm interested here in some BTC Dominance. Okay, let's go BTC Dominance. Here we are for BTC Dominance. Anything for BTC Dominance? Okay, moving up to the weekly, right? Moving up to the weekly. We're still anticipating BTC Dominance to eventually drop lower. How much lower? 42? Around 42? Right now we're at 57. So how will we know if the alt season is gonna begin for crypto in general? Yeah, once we cross the skinny pink line, as long as we are above it, we remain with a bullish bias, right? Eventually we're still gonna drop. I'm still expecting Bitcoin to drop eventually. So yeah, something like this. So and my expectation is for Bitcoin to eventually form a descending triangle, very big one, and then just collapse down to nothing. So yeah, that's my expectation. One, okay, maybe not nothing, no, but there'll be other projects that will overtake Bitcoin, right? The dominance should be falling for Bitcoin. So yeah, there you go. Happy New Year. Where is it? I think you're correct on the falling wedge. It's so bearish. Yeah, bro, I just see what's on the charts, and if the charts tell me it's bearish, I'm just gonna tell you it looks bearish. Roger Ver paid me $1 million. Can Bone reach? Question. Altered state machine, ASTO. Let's go. ASTO on gate. Okay. Good. I like what I see. So for altered state machine, I suspect that we may be coming back down here, right? Very noisy area. So this is working like a magnet, right? That is pulling the price eventually lower. So I would expect ASTO to drop to 1.3. Yeah, 1.3 cents probably, right? Again, this area will be a very nice area to be making moves for altered state machine in anticipation of a potential symmetrical breakout. Again, I still suspect that if and when it breaks out, it'll probably be 2026. So please remind me by mid-year. Please leave a comment again so I can take a look at ASTO. So thank you, Kamar. Neo said, fake. VGX. Okay, let's look at VGX. VGX against USD. Anything for VGX? Nope. Any signs of life? Nope. We're gonna give it a pass. Yeah, sure. If a new team buys them, and if we see something on the charts, yes. But for now, no. ZEC, let's go, Bobby. ZEC against USD. Okay, let's look at it on Coinbase. Anything for ZEC? Again, there's a very noisy area over here. Sure, we could go higher, but no, there's nothing that's significant on ZEC. So yeah, again, this noisy area, right? If anything, right, I think we could go to past 217 though, taking out the clusters of buys over here. Potentially, right? But we still need to see proper consolidation first, right? Or an accumulation here would be nice, right? Something like an ascending. Pew. Yeah, but as it stands, no, nothing much for ZEC. Okay, you're welcome. MANEKI. Okay, how is MANEKI? Let's look at MANEKI. Anything for MANEKI? Not really. MANEKI is scary. So again, we hope that MANEKI does something like this, right? But oh my god, this is a very fast fall. You want to see a very slow control fall that looks something like a falling channel, right? But for MANEKI, this is just too fast. I don't really like what I see on MANEKI. I don't like it, right? You want fast up, but slow down. Fast up, slow down, right? You don't want fast up and fast down as well, because this could mean a mountain range could be forming. So mountain ranges are bearish. So yeah, I'm not too sure yet at the moment. We still haven't taken out these lows. So we'll see. Sundog, near Earth, Grass. Okay, let's look at Cross. Grass market. Where were we? Gate. Oh, grass is in a squeezy. It's a squeezy, right? Lower highs, higher lows. Right. Previously, we thought that, oh, this was it, right? But this is what you call whale shenanigans. So the whales took out these highs, and then they took out these lows as well. But they did not take out the ultimate high and the ultimate low over here. So it maintained the squeeze. It's still a lower high, higher low. Still a squeeze. And look at this, the speed of it towards the upside. We love it when it's fast up. Right. And then hopefully, there is a correction. A very small, slow correction. Just doing nothing. Walking around, hanging around here. And then suddenly, pum! It blasts off. So grass, in my opinion, is gearing up for a move. Right. But yeah, we would love to see a proper wave E. I'm just going to assume that this whole thing is an A, B, C, D. We're probably going to get an E. So it's almost potentially breaking higher. So as it stands, yeah, watch out for the wave E. Right, we might be putting on trades for grass. But we'll see how it goes first though. But grass definitely has potential. Where is this? What about cat in dogs? Okay, Mew. Oh my god. Mew's not looking good, boys and girls. It's just not looking good. When you look at Mew, right, you see this as a symmetrical triangle, right? You would expect things to just start blasting off, right? As we head towards the target over here at sub 3 cents, 2.8 cents. But we are coming back down here, right? And we've already taken out the lows over here. So I'm just going to consider Mew to be invalidated the moment you take out these lows. So yeah, I would be anticipating a head and shoulders over here, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Mew collapsing lower. Probably past the lows over here though. Past 809. Right now we're at 6,000. Probably down to 800. So as it stands, Mew is not looking good at all. You do not want to see Mew keep dropping lower and lower and lower and lower. This is just bad. And if anything, if we were to even open a short for Mew, we'll still have to wait for the rally first. Once the rally comes in, yeah, the short will come in. And then pump, drop lower. So yeah, if anything, Mew is a short. Right? It might bounce back a bit higher though. I mean, once it drops, we'll be expecting a big bounce, right? Probably clearing all these clusters of buys before heading back down. So Mew is not looking good to us. We think that Mew is about to collapse. So yeah, we've invalidated the upside target. So if anything, more downside for Mew. So stay safe, boys and girls. Stay safe. MANEKI. Yeah, bull run. We'll see how it goes. IOTA is they've broken a lot of things that they said they wouldn't do, but they still did it anyway. Okay, now Sia coin. Let's look at Sia coin. Okay, this is where Sia coin is, right? Look at the big picture. It's in a gigantic squeeze, right? But there is danger as well. Clusters of cells here, here, all over here as well. So there is danger that Sia coin could still drop lower to 0.136. Right now we're at 0.00136, right? No, we're at 0.00542. So anything for us to work with at the moment? No. Are we in a bullish trend? If anything, right, this whole thing looks like a rising channel kind of a chart pattern. So if anything, I would still expect these clusters of cells potentially to be taken out before any sort of a reversal. So yeah, but the higher time frame, big chart pattern is still intact, right? But just that there is danger around here. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes, right? There is potential for it to drop much lower. So yeah, stay safe. Stay safe. Please slicing off. Connex, what's my target for next year? I don't know, bro. Kaspa, Kaspa is not good. Kaspa, I think I've mentioned this before. If you look at Kaspa on Maxi, right? This looks to me like a head and shoulders in the making. Can you see this? Right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We did mention though for Kaspa that once the right shoulder is complete, Kaspa should be heading back towards 6 cents and then potentially 4 cents. So you want to be very, very careful about rushing to any longs for Kaspa because there is real danger that Kaspa could be heading lower. Right, again, the noisy area is over here. So the expectation is for Kaspa to drop to around 4 cents. Right, potentially we could drop lower or even lower, but 4 cents is the target that we have. Right, again, there's another noisy area over here. So yeah, we may drop past 3 cents though, but again, we'll stick to 5.8 and 4 cents. So if anything, I still expect Kaspa to be a shot towards the downside. Could we be wrong? Could we form some sort of consolidation, bullish continuation chart pattern and head higher? Of course. But as it stands, Kaspa is bearish, right? Even when things were already forming like this, we already felt like, I think Kaspa is going to drop. Why? Because every time there is a rally, it gets pulled back down. Rally, it pulls back, comes back. So we wait for the rally. We'll probably hit the skinny pink line. This might be our entry. And then it gets pulled back down, and then that's it. It collapses down. So I would preach caution about rushing to anything for Kaspa. If anything, I would still be expecting a short incoming for Kaspa towards 6 and 4. So stay safe, boys and girls. Stay safe. What? Yeah, bro. We alternate between altcoins based on top 50 and altcoins based on categories week by week, you know. Then for SIA. Okay. I think we just did SIA, didn't we? Oh no. Did we? Aspa? Yeah, we just did SIA. Bro. Gaming coins just did it. No, some effects. There's no head and shoulders on super. No GLM. I think I did GLM. Where can we buy Grok? Yo, bro. I think I can remember last year, everyone. It was beautiful, huh? Where is H bar? We just did H bar. I don't agree about F. We just broke last week on a weekly basis. A multi-year downtrend, which should take us around 7 to 8,000 to around February or March. Only for a downside from current prices. It's a big mistake by you. When was this? 9th of December 2024, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at Ethereum. 9th of December 2024. I was saying that Ethereum, where is 9th of December? Can somebody please show me? 9069. 9th, this is 9th of December 2024. So I had a bearish view of Ethereum. I felt like Ethereum could be dropping lower, right? To this noisy area over here. Right. And so again, even if you were to go long, right? Most people are bullish. But if you were to go long, you have to wait for a retrace first before going long. Right. So since here we hit the top and we drop down 20, almost 25%. We hit the skinny pink line. I still think that this is a bearish continuation towards the downside. Right. This looks to me like a symmetrical. If the preceding trend is bearish, the subsequent trend should be bearish as well. So more likely than not, we're coming back down to this noisy area, which is around sub 2007. Between 2007 and 2003, somewhere around here. So as it stands, we are bias bearish for Ethereum. So a D. It's dropping. It is dropping. Thanks for technical. Do some kind of like AIOZ. What? What do you think about KAVA? Okay, KAVA. Okay, let me just take a look. KAVA is under the skinny pink line. We hit targets for KAVA. Okay, let's just go back to the remove all the drawings. I don't feel like it's reversing yet. Right? Doesn't feel like a bullish reversal yet. So, it's still volatile up, volatile down. right? And this looks like a bearish continuation to me. Right, sure, there could be a rally, but we're still under the skinny pink line largely. So if anything, the trend is still bearish. So yeah, it doesn't feel like it's turning bullish yet for KAVA. So I would stay safe. ADA, we have a pop. SDAO, yo bro, when is this? 7th of May, yo bro. SDAO, USDT. Okay, we had a target over here, $5.30, right? SDAO was here, I think May, March, April, May. Okay, May was here. When did we have this target? Yeah, 7th of May. Yeah, it was here. So would we still expect SDAO to eventually reverse back up? Yeah, sure, of course. There is that potential, right? We're still anticipating a squeeze over here, right? As long as this is a higher low, this target is still valid, right? The moment we take out these lows, then 530 will be gone. So you want to watch out for this, right? As long as it's not taken out. Let me give a good example. We just went through grass. So if you look at grass, it was in a squeeze, right? As long as you don't take out these lows, right? It's still a squeeze, right? So we might clear these clusters of cells here. But if you could push your way back up, it's still a valid squeeze. Why? Because it's lower highs and higher lows. Good example, huh? This is total market cap. Okay, let's look at this. Total crypto market cap. I think we'll just end with this, right? Total crypto market cap. Okay, anything for total crypto market cap? Okay, this, to be honest, doesn't look like a bearish reversal. If anything, I think total should be continuing higher, right? How much higher? I can't say for sure. I can't say for sure. Would be great if we could consolidate here a little bit, right? We could be clearing all these clusters of cells though. Right. Again, not too sure at this point of time. We'll probably be breaching 4 trillion. That's my expectation. Yeah, but it's just not really that obvious yet. I still think that we'll consolidate a little bit first before heading higher, right? If anything, I would prefer it to drop a little bit first, right? Form of a falling channel or something before heading higher. Right? I mean, of course, we could just zip out from here, but as it stands, yeah, we're very overbought, and we can already count the waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're close to the end, right? Doesn't mean we can't have another rally though. So yeah, that's my take for total. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great weekend ahead of you. Happy New Year, and see you in the next one. Ta-ta!